cinema. Ito na. Are we ready for our cast? Here we go. Yes, guys, ilabas. Ay, ate, baliktad po yung poster ninyo.
Huwag na, support.
Okay, ayusin. Kelsey Lasam and Lucas Andalio. Ayan.
And let us also welcome Phoebe O'Hara, Karina Bautista, Martin Escudero, Mix Almendras, Nico Antonio, Bench Manalo, Lovely Amelia Manalo, Wilma Dozen, and Melay Cantiveros as the voice of Cookie.
Once again, we have here our cast of My Love Will Make You Disappear. Ma'am Shimelay, hello po!
Hello, Ma'am Shimelay!
Ayun! Hello, everyone! Okay! Again, Natasha E. Franco, Kelsey Lasam, Lucas Andalio.
We have Phoebe O'Hara, Karina Bautista, Martin Escudero, Mix Almendras, Nico Antonio, Bench Manalo, Lovely Amelia Manalo, Wilma Dozen, and Melay Cantiveros!
Ayan! And syempre, ito, huwag na natin patagalin pa, Jay. Let's give it up for the director, Direct Chad Vigares! And People Superstars, Kim Chu and Paolo Avelino!
Ayan na rin ang Kim Chu
and Paolo Avelino! Ito na po ang cast ng My Love Will Make You Disappear. Okay, before anything, of course, Jay, isang photo op muna.
Yes.
Yan.
Smile to our camera. And let's smile to the camera. Ganda naman nila, color scheme nila. Very pastel.
Grabe yung color palette.
Totoo. And of course, we would love to know from Direct Chad Vigares, gusto mo sabihin, of course, to all the fans supporters really waiting for this film. Ito na yung moment, no? Mapapalabas na starting tonight and tomorrow, yung world premiere.
Maraming salamat po sa lahat na nandito. Baka tumagal mag-isa-isahin ko. Enjoy na lang natin itong pelikula. Sana magustuhan nyo at sana may makuha kayong magandang lesson dito sa pelikula ko. Maraming salamat. Sana bukas supportan natin sa cinemas.
Alright, we also love to know, of course, the thoughts of the one and only Kim Chu!
Supporters, pero may special greeting daw siya dapat today. Si Lassie, may ka-date siya. Congrats! Ayan, nasabi ko ha.
Date reveal!
Ma'am si Kelsey, Ma'am si Angga, thank you so much sa lahat naman nandito. Thank you so much.
Okay, from OA to nonchalant, let's give it up for Paolo Avelino!
Magandang gabi sa inyo lahat. I want to thank everyone for coming, to all our supporters, fans. Our bosses, our colleagues from work. Brands who are here. Maraming salamat.
Once again, everyone, Cinema 3, let's give it up for the cast of My Love Will Make You Disappear!
Alright, thank you so much to all the cast. And of course, sa mga fans na nandito ngayon, you will now settle down. Siyempre, sana nakalagay ng mga popcorns nyo as we go to our respective seats.